Things just got very interesting in the drone world because what started as simple rumors about DJI's upcoming Lito 1 and Lito X1 has now turned into one of the most convincing leaks we've seen so far. We're no longer looking at blurry concepts or early speculation. This time, we have images of the actual retail-style packaging, and that tells us something important. The launch could be closer than we think. The leaked box is labeled Beta Unit, not for sale, which may sound technical, but it actually reveals a lot. In DJI's development process, beta units are used for final testing, real-world demos, and last-minute improvements before mass production begins. That means the product is no longer just an idea, it's almost ready for the real world. And when a device reaches this stage with full retail packaging, it usually signals that the official announcement is not far away. Now, according to the leak, DJI is preparing two models in this lineup, the Lito 1 and the Lito X1. While both are expected to offer strong performance, the X1 clearly appears to be the more premium creator-focused version. The specific box we're seeing is the Fly More Combo Plus, which is exciting because this bundle typically includes everything a user needs to start flying immediately, without buying extra accessories separately. One detail that stands out on the box is the word Ultralight. DJI has used similar terminology before for drones that weigh under 249 grams. This is important because drones in this category are easier to fly legally in many regions and are incredibly popular among travelers, vloggers, and beginners who want professional-looking aerial shots without complicated restrictions. If the Lito X1 does fall into this ultralight category, it could become a very attractive option for creators who want portability without sacrificing performance. Looking at the design hints on the packaging, the appearance appears to follow DJI's familiar compact foldable style, making it easy to carry in a small bag or even a large pocket. Previous leaks also suggest the presence of a 3-axis gimbal camera, which is essential for capturing stable cinematic footage even when the drone is moving quickly. There are also signs of quick-release propellers, which makes setup faster and maintenance easier, a small feature that can make a big difference during real shoots. Another exciting part of this leak is the confirmation of the Fly More Combo Plus bundle contents. Inside the box, users can expect the drone itself, the DJI RC2 controller, multiple batteries for extended flight time, a two-way charging hub, spare propellers, necessary cables, a screwdriver, and even a shoulder carrying bag. This type of complete kit shows that DJI is targeting creators who want convenience, portability, and reliability all in one package. Some information on the box also hints at HEVC video support and compatibility with professional editing software like Final Cut Pro, which strongly suggests that DJI is positioning the Lito X1 as a serious tool for content creators, filmmakers, and social media videographers who want high-quality aerial footage in a lightweight form factor. At this point, this is no longer just another rumor floating around online. With beta packaging, confirmed bundle details, and consistent leaks, it seems clear that the Lito 1 and Lito X1 are moving very close to their official debut. If these details turn out to be accurate, DJI could once again deliver a compact drone that balances portability, performance, and professional video capabilities. Now the only real question left is how powerful will the final version be, and how soon will DJI reveal everything. One thing is certain, the Lito X1 is shaping up to be a drone that creators should definitely keep an eye on.